Hi, third grade. Today we're going to finish up Unit 2 in Fundations and work our way up to taking the Unit 2 assessment. But first, let's warm up with our drill sounds warm up. Repeat after me. A apple, ah. A wash, ah. A squash, ah. E ed, eh. I itch, eh. O octopus, ah. U up, ah. CH chin, ch. CK sock, k. TCH catch, ch. And G game, g. Nice work. Okay, now before we take our unit test, we're going to look at some of our words of the day that we've had in Unit 2 and talk about some of those rules we've had. So, the first word, let's say the base word, go. Ship, whole word, shipment. Okay, so when we look at the word shipment, our base word ship, remember we underline the base word, circle the suffix. Now, the base word, is it a 1-1-1 word? Yes, it is. It's one syllable, it's closed syllable, it has one vowel and only one consonant after the vowel. But is meant a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix? Consonant, so you do not double the final consonant in shipment. Okay, very good. Okay, I went ahead and built another word of our day. The word is mixed. Now let's take a look at our base word in mixed. Let me underline that so we can mark it correctly and circle the suffix ed. Okay, is mix a 1-1-1 word? Yep, one syllable that's closed, only one vowel, and only one consonant following that vowel. But remember the rule we learned. I know ed is a vowel suffix, and normally when we have a 1-1-1 word that's a base word and we attach a vowel suffix, we double the final consonant. But do we ever double the consonant X in the English language? No, we do not. So that's our word mixed. And remember, ed is a suffix that we attach to show that something already happened in the past, right? Okay, here's the third word added up here. The word is trapped, right? Now, when it comes to the word trapped, our base word is just T-R-A-P, trap. Is that a 1-1-1 word? Yes, it is. But look, we attached a vowel suffix and it doesn't end with an X. So look what we have to do. Double the final consonant on that 1-1-1 word and circle our suffix. One thing I forgot to do for mixed is mark the sound that ed makes, because remember, ed as a suffix makes different sounds depending on which base word it's attached to. So let's all say mixed. What should I put above this ed? Right, it sounds like a T. Okay, what about trapped? It also sounds like a T too. Yes. All right, nice work. Okay, and here's our last practice word before we move into the unit test. The word I chose this time is grabbed, right? She grabbed my hand. So our base word that I'm underlining is just grab with one B. And it is a 1-1-1 word. And we are attaching a vowel suffix. So we have to double the consonant. Otherwise, it would look like grabbed, remember? Okay, and circle ed. Now, grabbed. What sound does the ed suffix make on that word? Right, just the D sound. Excellent. Okay, well, we are going to go ahead. If you have your composition book at home, open it up. Back in the back, there's a unit test section. And in fact, for unit 2, we're going to take that on page, let's see here, 62 and 63. So go ahead in your composition book, page 62 and 63. Now, when you are in there, at the top, it's asking you to write today's date. Please make sure you do that. And over here where it says test for unit number, that NO period is an abbreviation for that word number. Test for unit number, you're going to put 2, unit 2. Okay, get your materials and your pencil ready and get ready to listen. Okay, now before I give you your first sound on page 62, I want to point out that I'm leaving these sound cards and these suffix syllable frames up for you so that you can refer to them during the test. Because if you were taking this in school, you would also be able to refer to these tools in the classroom. And also, hopefully, if you've been at home, you have your student notebook with the castle on the cover. This is another tool that you can use, especially when we get to your trick words or your sound-alike words. This is a good tool. Okay, so you are allowed to use that as well. All right, let's get started on page 62. Hopefully you have the date at the top and test for unit number 2, and you're ready with your first sound. Next to number 1, please write everything that makes the sound k. Say it. Pause the video, write it, and then hit play when you're ready. Okay, next to number 2, write everything for the sound ch. Say it, ch. Pause. Okay, you should be down on the next row next to number 3. Your third sound is z. Say it, z. Pause. And next to number 4, your last sound is d. Say it, d. Okay, now we're going to move down into the sound-alike words section. So find number 1. I'm going to give you a sentence, and you're only going to write the homophone that you hear. The first word is son. He is my son. Which son did I use in that sentence? Number 2, the word is some. Can I have some candy? Some. Which some? Okay, number 3, the word is band. I play the drums in the band. Band. And your final sound-alike word is guest. She was a guest at my party. Guest. Okay, next I'm going to give you 5 words from this unit. So all of these words will have a base word and a suffix. That's why, remember, I have my suffix frames up here. Decide which one it is. We underline the base word, circle the suffix. That's it. Unless your base word is a 111 word and you're attaching that vowel suffix, then you need to star the bonus letter that you add. Okay? Keep those rules in the back of your mind for these words. Word number 1 is patches. Say it. Patches. There were so many patches sewn on the quilt. Patches. Remember, write it, spell it, and then mark it. Okay, your second word is foggy. Say it. Foggy. This morning, when I looked out the window, I saw it was very foggy. Spell it and then mark it. Okay, number 3, your word is runner. Say it, runner. I was a runner in high school. Runner. Spell it, mark it. Word number 4 is shipping. Say it, shipping. I had to pay extra for fast shipping. Spell it and then mark it. And your last word, number 5, is shipment. Say it, shipment. The shipment was delayed due to the storm. Shipment. Make sure you're marking all of the words. Okay, so number 1, your word should have been patches. Number 2, foggy. Number 3, runner. Number 4, shipping. And number 5, shipment. Okay, next you should move over to page 63 so that I can give you your first sentence. Okay, your brain should be telling you something about the beginning of the sentence. And here we go. Sentence 1. Mom gladly stopped Tom from tripping. I'll say it again. Mom gladly stopped Tom from tripping. Okay, one more time. Mom gladly stopped Tom from tripping. Remember, if you need to hear it again, pause the video and rewind it. But don't forget, scoop your sentence when you're finished. Mom gladly stopped Tom from tripping. Okay, and your last sentence, sentence 2, move down on your paper, is the drummer tapped on the drums again. Okay, that's the sentence. The drummer tapped on the drums again. One more time. The drummer tapped on the drums again. Don't forget to scoop that sentence into meaningful phrases too. All right, third grade, great work. I hope you did your best. You took your time. Check in those sentences for any 111 words that you think, you might need to do something before you attach a vowel suffix on, okay? And check for those trick words. But I hope you did your best, and I'll see you soon. Bye.